This is the F-Series Model 42F from All Access Equipment and CMC. In this video, we'll look at how the 42F compares to other lifts and note a few unique qualities. Designed for rental and building maintenance, the F-Series 42F is compact and simple to use. Whether you're on a hill or going through a narrow doorway, the F-Series 42F sets up anywhere. Built by CMC, the industry leader in tracked aerial lifts, the F-Series 42F is the most compact and lightest weight lift in the F-Series line and can hold up to 507 pounds. You can adjust the tracks for improved stability, and you can easily level the lift with automatic leveling. The 42F can boom up to 42 feet with a side reach of up to 27 feet 10 inches. For light-duty applications, the 42F is easy to maneuver in the tightest of spaces. And its lightweight body travels with low ground pressure, so you won't have to worry about damaging delicate flooring. It's the most affordable option in the F-Series line. Don't let your customers come up short. Reach new heights with the F-Series. Order your F-Series lifts today.